Good morning everyone. So welcome dito sa ating video tutorial. Welcome to Jane Freaks. Okay, last night maraming pumasa na natin mga followers sa Telegram. Congratulations po sa inyo sa pagpasa sa evaluation sa prop firm by following the Jane Freaks risk management and the SGC Sogeking setups. For this video, I will be teaching you how to do a Sogeking setup. So dito ngayon makikita natin sa chart. May dalawa tayong Sogeking, yung naka-horizontal lines. One is here yung trade natin after the CPI and one is here yung trade natin just before the release of the PPI kagabi. Okay, yung isa nung May 10, 15:59. Yung isa May 11, 1500. The time is server time, I think, or GMT ba yan? Not really sure. But yung entry na yan is around mga 8 p.m. ng gabi to 9 p.m. here, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. ng gabi. Right, same time, same session. So that's how we trade in the SGC concept, Smart Genfix concept. So before, nung May 10, we have an SGC setup, yung breakout, and then yung, subkwata yung price. Okay lang. So, nung breakout and then nag-Sogeking tayo dun sa taas. So, para sa video na to, Sogeking yung i-discuss natin. Kasi yung SGC, alam nyo na yan, that's the breakout strategy. Ito naman yung Sogeking is the sniper entry na counter trend. So, magka-counter tayo ng trend with a solid bias. So, makikita natin, no, dalawang araw, dalawang trade lang nagawa natin. But the profits are very, very small. Small lang din. Okay? Small. Like mga 3-4%, yun, ganun. We don't trade big lot sizes. We focus on long-term consistency here at the SGC. Yun, sabi ko, 2 trades a day. Lagi kong sinasabi yan sa Telegram. 2 trades a day. Why? 2 trades a day, napakahirap. Example, 10 trades ka. Paano mo i-review yun lahat? Okay, so that's ayaw ko kung paano nyo review yung 20 na trade nyo or itadtadin nyo ng trade dyan. So, what's your concept? What's your process? How do you review your trades kung 20 na trades yan? How much time do you spend reviewing your trades? Where did you get it wrong? Or where did you get it right? Then, ano yung magiging strategy nyo or magiging adjustment nyo the following day, the following trading day. So I don't really find na na sustainable yun in the long run. So Paul, manalo ka ngayon, tinadtad mo siya. Then how about next day? What if bumaliktad yung market? Ubus yung account mo. Sunog, di ba? So 2 trades a day. Anong mangyayari sa'yo pag 2 trades a day lang yung ginagawa mo? You can review. You have all the time to review the trade. So, example, isa lang. So, you have all the time. 24 hours. 24 hours, hindi naman. So, if you spend charting like 5 hours a day, 3 hours a day, reviewing one trade. So, ni-review mo yung isang trade na yun for 2 hours, 3 hours, then you will know, dito pala dapat ako. So, next time, ito na yung gagawin ko. And then, trade at the same time. Bakit? Same movements from same time. Bakit? Because the same psychology of traders. Pag lumipat ka sa Asian session, ibang psychology. Pag lumipat ka sa London, ibang psychology. Pag lumipat ka sa New York, ibang psychology naman yan. Okay? So, yeah, basically, if you want to sustain, to survive here, pili nga lang ng session, minimal time in the market. Okay? You don't have to trade 24 hours. Di mo kayang talunin lahat ng traders sa mundo. Okay, so just pick your time. Then, pick your trades wisely. Dalawang trade, okay na yon. Kung marami kayong trades, ewan ko lang paano mo nire-review yun. Okay? So, let's dive into the Sogeking setup na ginawa natin. Here, we can see the price consolidating. Ito yung consolidation before the CPI last Wednesday yata. And then, put a mark on the Telegram. So, check nyo na lang doon sa Telegram natin yung level na yun. So, backread nyo na lang. Na, I guess it's around 2033. And then, nung nag-breakout, I was telling you that if that level breaks, it may go up to 2050. So, bakit tayo nag-Sogeking? malaking bullish candle to. So knowing the fundamentals, reading the news, upon the release of CPI, the Fed was not signaling any or wala kahit isang news na nagsasabi na may rate cut. So, yeah, market is anticipating a rate cut, but yung Fed hindi nagpapahiwatig na may rate cut. And then looking at the CME Fed Watch tool, ito yung gamit ko. Fed Watch tool, doon nakita natin zero probability of a rate cut. So, when I read that news, zero probability, and then opening pa lang ng New York, some of the New York traders are looking at the news, looking at the tools, looking at the fundamentals, and when they see that coming, that zero probability pa pala, okay, wala pa palang pinapahiwatig na rate cut, hindi man lang nag-increase ngayong araw na to. Knowing that this is a US session, opening of a US session, fresh pa yung utak ng mga nasa US na traders, then yeah, they can see that the Fed Watch tool, walang probability, for this day, no probability of rate cut. Maybe, and gold is pushing up, and yeah, maybe it gonna come down. Okay? Kasi wala namang probability na magre-rate cut. Anong reason ni gold para tumaas? Okay, wala siyang reason para tumaas. Then, knowing na medyo maganda yung pinapakita ng mga data for the past previous weeks, or medyo hindi naman ganun kasama for the US, and then knowing that the gold is on the 2K level, masyado siyang mataas. But there's no reason for gold to be flying to 100 if there is no rate cuts. Bakit? Mataas yung interest rate, mataas yung holding. Pag nag-hold ka ng gold against the dollar, napakataas ng swaps na babayaran mo. Whereas kung magsasell ka, selling gold and hoarding the dollar, it will give you much more swaps in the long run. So, yun yung naging bias ko nung time na yun. Kaya nag-Sogeking ako sa part na yan. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, I'm not more on drawing on yung mga lines sa chart. I'm more on reading the sentiments and ano yung mangyayari sa oras na yan. Why? Because sa oras na yan, ano yung iniisip ng market. Okay? It's not about your drawings or your support, resistance. It's about ano yung iniisip ng market sa point na yan. And when it reaches that kind of level, like this is the resistance, what time is it? Okay, anong time yan dito sa resistance na yan? And why, and what's the psychology ng mga traders sa oras na mga yan? So, sa akin, sa analysis ko, nung nakita ko yung zero probability of a rate cut at that time, this is the opening. Ito yung US session na yan. US session to dito. Nag-open siya, and then after 30 minutes or after ilang minuto, merong news na i-release, nag-shoot up yung price, and then, yeah, it is an impulsive move by the market because of the news. So, may reaction yung mga market na yan. Then you, as a, kung magsusogiging kayo, you should connect all the fundamentals, and then, yun, nakita ko, wala palang probability na rate cut. Bakit naman naangat to? There's no reason for gold. So, I was looking for a Sogeking setup there. So, paano ba sinusogeking? Yeah, you will be looking at the 1 minute time frame. I-zoom in natin siya sa 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Yes, here. Okay, 1 minute, 20:59 left. Yeah. Okay. Here, makita natin yung shoot up and then create a support and resistance here, support, and hindi niya nabasag, created a lower low, binasag niya, then nag-consolidate yung price then for how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, and then knowing that it will enter a new hour, magko-close na siya ng hour, and this is the 15 minute, ito yung 15 minute candle, kasi nasa 20:45 yan, yung 15 minute candle, if ever, sabi ko, if ever the next minute of the 15 minute candle, kasi bagong 15 minute to 1 minute 44, 45. The next minute, dapat mag-shoot up yan. If it will continue, bakit? 15:45. 15 minutes, 15-minute candle, opening of a new 15 minute, dapat may shoot up na gagawin yun based on the price action. But hindi. The first minute, it rejected this level. So, na-reject siya, created a lower low again, and then, ayun, doon ako naghanap. And, paghanap ko, if there's a 1-minute candle that will break this consolidation sa 2046.40, then I will enter a buy. If ever lang naman. But here, knowing that ito yung candle na to, nag-close siya below. Okay, ni-reject yung, hindi naman reject. Nag-close lang siya below the 2046. So, that was giving me a sign na hindi talaga pwede ito mag-buy. And then maybe the market is pricing in the rate cut noong nakarang linggo pa. Then ngayon, na-realize na, bakit hindi nagpapahiwatig yung Fed? And then gold is now at the 2050 level. So is it worth it to be holding gold? I guess not, diba? Yun, naghintay ako ng false breakout and then inintay ko siya na bumalik sa loob nito. Then when this low was created, yun, and dalawang kandila na pula na yan is na-create. I was thinking if this level breaks, then I will enter a sell. Ayun. Sabi ko, magi-enter ako ng sell. If this level breaks. Bumalik siya ng konti. Ayun. And tuloy-tuloy na yun. Hindi na siya bumalik. And then, I was holding the position for until 2019. Kasi yun naman yung level to break pa. Yung 2019. And then, nag-enter ako ulit ng panibagong sell nung kahapon. Upon the release. Diba, nagsabi na ako sa Telegram. So, if you're not following me at the Telegram, follow mo lang. Lagay ko sa description. Ando yung bias kagabi kung bakit tayo nag-Sogeking setup. So, that's how you do a Sogeking. Hindi siya basta-basta hindi siya basta-basta drawing lang sa chart. It's more on connecting the dots on the fundamentals and sniping your entry the 1 minute with the confirmation of price action plus the sentiment sa oras na yun. So, that's why it's very important to trade the same hour every day. Bakit? Dahil dun mo ma-realize na not all the time the price or the market reacts or the same reaction. Okay, know your time frame. Yan. Eventually, you'll develop your eye indicators and nakakagawa ka ng sarili mong strategy. I hope you find this video I hope you find value in this video, and then don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube, TikTok. I-upload ko to sa TikTok. Nakakalimutan ko na mag-upload doon. And also, congratulations sa lahat ng mga pumasa sa evaluation ng MFF. So, congrats sa inyo, mga sirs. I hope you keep the live account. Stay disciplined. 2 trades a day, 0.5% risk per day. And God bless. Good luck sa trading journey nyo.